Hello everybody, welcome one more time to my channel Monique Naranjitas. As every Thursday and Friday I post a new video for you guys. I hope that you enjoy it. So today I will teach you how to make your own natural homemade face mask in easy way. We'll remove tiny wrinkles, eye bags, blackheads, some kind of spots, as well as a beautiful mask will nourish your skin and moisturize your skin. So let us start with the ingredients we need. We need 1 egg white, 1 spoon of honey, 1 spoon of oats, and we will mix all of it together in a bowl. We're gonna mix all this together. And we're gonna put in our face for 30 minutes. Well guys, we have here in this bowl our homemade natural mask. So we're gonna put in our face for just 30 minutes. If you wanna extend that time for 45 minutes, you can do it, because this mask it's for day and for night. Well guys, after we remove the mask that we already made with warm water, it's really important, warm water. So we have a soft, hydrating, moisturized, nourished, and clean skin in our face. So you can do this mask 1 or 2 times per week, anytime, in the morning, in the afternoon or evening, anytime, whatever you want. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I see you every Thursday and every Friday here in my channel Monique Naranjitas with new videos. I send you a big kiss and a big bear hug, energetic for each of you. Bye!